Education Minister Thokchom Radhesham assures of uprising Union HRD Minister about the lacking infrastructure at Indira Gandhi National Tribal University Regional Campus, Manipur. And the High Court of Manipur grants bail to jailed founder of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School, P.H. Landhoni, and her daughter, P.H. Robita. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Afternoon News. I'm Joyce Ruisham with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Education Minister Thokchom Radhesham has assured of apprising the Union HRD Minister about lacking infrastructure of Indira Gandhi National Tribal University Regional Campus, Manipur, and inconveniences facing the university students. Speaking at the annual Freshers Meet Cum Cultural Meet 2019 of the university held at its campus yesterday, Education Minister Radhesham advised the university students to focus on applied research to benefit the society. University Deputy Registrar, teachers, research scholars, and students took part in the event. High Court of Manipur today granted bail to the jailed founder of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School, P.H. Landhoni, and her daughter, P.H. Robita, who were arrested by the state police in connection with the mysterious death of a girl student of the school. Court announced the bail grant at around 10:30 this morning. The High Court bench of Justice M.V. Muralidharan reserved the bail order after thorough hearing on the bail plea yesterday. Learned counsel of Landhoni and Robita, Senior Advocate N. Jotendro, Advocate Said Murtaza Ahmed, and Advocate M. Gunedor prayed for the bail plea to the justice. After listening to both sides, Justice M.V. Muralidharan granted the bail. The court also issued an order to hand over the case to the CBI within 2 weeks. High Court of Manipur further ordered Landhoni and Robita to seek its permission if they have to travel abroad to complete the investigation. The court also ordered them to pay 1 lakh rupees each to Chief Judicial Magistrate Imphal West as surety bond. People carried out mass alert meets under the initiative of COCOMI against disintegration of Manipur by the final settlement of Naga peace talks unabated in the state today. Drivers of the state took part in the sit-in staged by Transporters and Drivers Council at Keshampad Lemajam Lekai Community Hall. Speaking on the sidelines, Vice President of the Council, Khairakpam Ibotombi, warned that drivers will even cease transport operations in and outside the state if situation demands. He urged border center and state governments to act according to public's interest. Leaders of COCOMI stressed on the peace talks at the protest meet.
Ekoi Manipur kai biaroi ichin now zati kai biaroi jam nungsina panmine se aduna government na se kai dana sinbiro long live Manipur.
India government tami daga koina lawga doriba ware patudagi handok mituna Manipur kai dana na sinbiu kari ko koina koi ki wa section me ko sa koi pitaduna koina ngammi mata ko na lawra patara gadi koi transport and driver council na tidi sida palam dagi pusilla na pa na di Manipur ram dam sa chaliba no magi darkar laiba kudima service piriba kari wala koina tidi sina loro ko kuding masa total pat rupiah ya bagi warning amasu ngasi kalenga bagi na kong
Residents of Singjamei Torban Khetri Laikai carried out a public alert meet under the banner of COCOMI demanding disclosure of the final agreements of the Naga peace talks at the Wangba Khetri Laikai Tongkong last night. Taking part in the meet, one protester wants that people of the colony will stir intense agitations if the final agreement ever disintegrate the state. 109 Battalion of Central Reserve Police Force CRPF Mongshangai conducted civic action program at Mongshangai Community Hall today. Battalion presented sewing machines to 13 widows in and around Mongshangai on the occasion. Cultural dance performances by young girls of the area in traditional attires enthralled the attendees. Speaking on the occasion, Commandant of the battalion, Vinod Kumar, said that the battalion has been organizing various civic action programs with an aim to bring social welfare and enhance ties with the public. He maintained that they have been extending help to the all-age home and mental development home in Mongshangai and will continue to do so even in the future. Adhyaksha of Imphal West, R.K. Taruni, elderly people and women folks of the area attended the event. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on the awareness program on PMJAY and CMHT schemes in Kaishamthong constituency. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Afternoon News. State Health Department organized an awareness program on Prime Minister Jan Arogya Yojana PMJAY and Chief Minister Gi Hakshelgi Tengbang CMHT schemes under the initiative of Kaishamthong MLA cum Health Minister Langpolapun Jayantakumar at Kaishamthong Hodam Leirak Community Hall today. People of Ward number 11 in Kaishamthong constituency were enrolled under the schemes at the event. Speaking to media, Health Minister L. Jayantakumar said that DC is concerned will conduct special inspection to identify people under below poverty line who are being deprived of CMHT scheme to avail the same. He expressed contentment that Kaishamthong constituency has the highest enrollment rate under PMJAY and CMHT schemes in the state. He maintained that today's enrollment in Ward number 11 is the final enrollment in the constituency. He added that awareness and enrollment programs for wards number 9, 12 and 13 of the constituency were carried out earlier. Health Minister L. Jayantakumar stressed the need to raise awareness and enrollments under the schemes among the hilly residents. Later, the Kaishamthong MLA also inspected various developmental undertakings in the constituency.
Me say karino have jagen me do di imung do di tatina lahira bani di khang am justified oiba karma sabi badi am la khogi tangai bade badi oiba dum khal kangbu oiba targa di masi khoina kari mung tawge ha jagedi sire da chumba enroll toba makhal process da sigma makhal li om chiba category di le makhal kangbu singse masi ge dc da chi am ikalane adoge dc na inquiry am family du chalaga aina magi stc na tagan sdo na tagan karano officer am deputy toraga ha imung si da laidi ba kangbu singse masi report torok pi matungina masi criteria myam chandra phawuda aseng bagi health card pibada tangai bada makal imung oibra laira oibra huse adu verify torakanda makhoin che se director health service tong piraga mater card sabiya da hai makal pot se han laira manate anu makal new concept.
Manipuri diasporas in South Korea celebrated Ningol Chakoba and Chawangkut with traditional fervor and gaiety on November 2. Korea Manipuri Association organized the event on the theme Hills and Valley Are One at a Lake Town Pension House in Anshong City. Sumptuous Ningol Chakoba meal was followed by dance and songs performances of Chawangkut. The government has said that no separate environmental clearance is required to produce additional ethanol from B-heavy molasses as it does not contribute to the pollution load. Union Environment, Forest and Climate Change Minister Prakash Javadekar announced this in a tweet saying that the decision will benefit farmers and sugar industry. With various incentives provided by the government, sugar mills are expected to undertake production of ethanol from B-heavy molasses and other byproducts. Just a few days ahead of the much-awaited Kartarpur corridor inauguration on November 9, some terrorists have entered Punjab from across the border in Pakistan. Intelligence agencies have reported that the terrorists are hiding in the area near the Dera Baba Nanak Shrine. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be addressing a public gathering at Dera Baba Nanak Shrine and will inaugurate the corridor and passenger terminal building, while Pakistan Prime Minister Imran Khan will inaugurate the corridor in the Narowal district of Punjab province of Pakistan. Security has tightened in the region and BSF and other security agencies responsible for monitoring the international border have been asked to submit a report on the situation. Now the sports news. Hyderabad FC will meet Northeast United FC in a match of the ongoing Indian Super League ISL 2019-20 at GMC Balayogi Athletic Stadium in Hyderabad tonight at 7:30 p.m. Northeast United FC with 5 points is at the 4th position of the league's table tally, while Hyderabad FC with 3 points is at the 9th position. Now before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Education Minister Thokchom Radhesham assures of apprising Union HRD Minister about lacking infrastructure at Indira Gandhi National Tribal University Regional Campus, Manipur. And High Court of Manipur grants bail to jailed founder of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School, P.H. Landhoni, and her daughter, P.H. Robita.